In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a digital vision board for 2025 using Canva. Vision boards are a great way to visualize your goals and aspirations for the year, helping to keep you motivated and focused. Let's dive into the process of creating a personalized vision board using Canva, a versatile and user-friendly design tool. To begin, open up Canva in your browser. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. Once you're on the homepage, locate the search bar at the top and type in Vision Board. This search will bring up a wide array of pre-designed templates that you can choose from. Browse through the options until you find a layout that resonates with your style and the goals you want to highlight. Once you've selected a template, the next step is to click on Customize this template. This will open up the design in Canva's editor, where you can start making changes to tailor it to your unique vision. Here, take the time to edit the text included in the template. You can personalize each section with specific goals or inspiring phrases that mean something to you. Remember, this board is all about capturing your personal aspirations, so make sure it aligns with your objectives for the year. Next, let's bring in some visuals. Click on the Uploads tab on the left side of the screen. Here you can add images that represent your goals by uploading them directly from your computer. This is a crucial step since visuals can really bring your vision board to life, making your goals more tangible and inspiring. Simply drag and drop your chosen images into the template, replacing any placeholder images to fit your preference. Once your text and images are in place, take a step back and review your board. This is an opportunity to ensure that each element truly reflects your intentions for 2025. Adjust the layout if needed, and feel free to play around with fonts, colors, and other design elements to ensure that your vision board is not only motivating but also aesthetically pleasing to you. Finally, when you're happy with the design, you can download it. Use the download button at the top right corner. Choose your preferred file type. You can save your vision board as a PDF, an image, or even share it directly online. Having a digital version allows you to easily access it on your devices or print it out to display in your space as a daily reminder of your goals. And that's it! You've created your digital vision board for 2025 using Canva. By taking the time to thoughtfully design your board, you're setting yourself up for a successful and motivating year ahead. Remember to revisit your board periodically to reflect on your achievements and make any updates as your goals evolve. Happy planning and best wishes for a fulfilling 2025.